How to add a card on Google Pay on laptop. So here's how you do it. So firstly, open up your browser on your laptop and then type in pay.google.com. Just type in pay.google.com, and then if you are not logged into your Google account yet, it might ask you to log into your account. So if so, just log in using your Google credentials. But once you've logged in, you'll get to this screen here. So now in order to add a card, all you have to do is simply click on add payment method, and then now plug in the card details that you want to add, the card number, expire date, CVC, name, all those things, and also the billing address associated with your card. So just click on it and add all these details. Once you have add all these details, hit on save. When you click on save, and this one will be added, the card will be added under payment methods, and basically that's how you add it. It's a very simple and straightforward process.